Hello viewers, how are you? I am Marco Provo and you are watching Next Tech YouTube channel, and today I will discuss about this OneOdio Pro 10 studio monitoring headphone and will give you a long-term review about this product. So without further delay, let's get started. Here is the box packaging of OneOdio Pro 10 headphones, and after opening the box, here you get the headphone itself. Here is the headphone, and here is the 3.5mm cable. Here is the 6.35 to 3.5mm audio cable, and here is the carrying pouch of OneOdio Pro 10 headphones, and it's quite good. Now let me give you a physical overview about this OneOdio Pro 10 headphones. So this is made out of plastic really, and the headbands are metallic here. Which is a good thing for the headphones in this price range. That is quite good, and the ear cups are quite large, huge from outside, and here is the paddings are also good on the ear cups, and here is the head padding that is also good, and there is a leatherette finish on this headphone as the above part, and that's also quite premium in this price range. But actually these headphones ear cups looks quite huge from outside, but actually when I will look into inside here, the diameter between this is quite small, so people having larger ears will find it pretty uncomfortable during their usage of this. I found it uncomfortable really. Like I'm wearing this and doing some studio monitoring works or whatsoever, but in every 15 or 20 minutes I have to open them for fresh airs because it hurts really after 15 to 20 minutes of our work. And you can rotate the OneOdio Pro 10 headphones like this, so you can do single ear monitoring with this one, and you can also do like this flat to lay this on your neck, and you can bunch it like this for traveling or carrying. On these headphones you get two ports. Here is the 3.5mm audio port. Here is a cable. I'm putting it inside, and here is like this, and on the other side it has a 6.35mm audio port, and you can put cable on this one. And another thing, that is the clamping force of the headphones are pretty high, let's see, and it puts pressure on the ears, and you will feel uncomfortable after 20 minutes of the usage. Like, see the clamping force, it's pretty high. Now we will talk about the sound quality of this OneOdio Pro 10. So I found that it has a flat sound stage that's very good for studio monitoring, like editing or doing some work like audio works and video editing that creators need. And I found that its highs are not that good, but the mids are great really. The vocals are great, instrumental is quite okay, and the bass is not that good, that is adequate in this headphone, and like it has a flat sound stage as I said earlier, and it's quite good for creators. So now talking about the bass heads who actually like to listen to bass heavy songs every time, and sadly it's not for you really, because it has something bass in adequate, but it's not for bass head. Like Boat or several other brands manufacture some of the headphones which is like really bass heavy, but this one is not like that, not for the bass heads really. So this is the mic testing of OneOdio Pro 10. I'm recording this audio via this headphones microphone, and let me know in the comment section how is the quality of the audio, and I will see how it compares with my regular microphone, that is Boya BYM1. Here is the mic button of the headphone, and you can do media playback with this one. Like you press it once, it will act as a play pause button, and you press it twice, then it will go to the next track, and you press it thrice, then it will go to previous track. Here is OneAudio's headphone is connected with this tablet and playing one song, and here is one extra spare port, that's 6.35mm one, and I'm connecting one cable with this port to another extra headphone, and this both headphone will play the same song, and this is a new feature of OneOdio Pro 10 headphones. So now coming about the verdict, so what do I think about this product? Who should buy this one? I think the product is pretty solid in this price range, less than 2000 rupees. It's a quite good deal for like really creators and like audio editors, video editors and like that. But this is not for like regular use, like you are going in a bus and like traveling and listening to music. This is not for that, and not for bass heads really. This is for like creators. Mainly creators will prefer this one, less than 2000. So new creators, new YouTubers, and like new audio editors will like this one. So I will suggest this this pair of headphones, like so OneOdio Pro 10, for creators only and not for regular listeners. So that's it for today, guys, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this OneOdio Pro 10 headphones. And if you really like the video, then press the like button, show some support, share our video, like I need your support as a new YouTuber, and subscribe the channel NEX TECH for more quality and interesting tech videos. So thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye.
We all have our lives, the best of times.